Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you how to create column charts in Excel. For your easy reference, I have prepared one dummy data as you can see on the screen. The data is like this. I have entered the name of 5 people, that is person A, person B, person C, person D and person E, and in the next column I have entered the salary obtained by each person. So let's see how we can create column chart with the help of this data. For this we have to select entire data and we have to click on the insert tab which is available in the ribbon. Once we go to the insert tab, we can see chart group. Under chart group, here we can see the option insert column chart. If we look carefully, there is one drop down button available beside this, so we have to click on this button, and here again we will see further options like 2D column or 3D column. So we can also create the chart in 2D type or 3D type. So based upon our choice we can select any of the type in this. So here in this video we will select this 2D column and the name of this chart is cluster column. Okay, so just click on this. We can see that column chart is now available for the data which we have already selected. Now we will see how we can format this chart, like how we can change the style or we can change the color of these bars. One thing which I want to state here is that if we click on this chart, we can see that two additional tabs will get enabled on the ribbon, that is design tab and this format tab. Okay, so with the help of this design tab we can change the chart style. We can see once we click on the design tab, under chart styles we can get various chart styles. For example, if we just place the mouse here, we can get the name of this as style 1, style 2, style 3, style 4 likewise. So here if we want to select the style 5, just click on this style 5. We can see that our chart is now converted into this style 5. Again, one thing to notice here, if we click anywhere outside the chart, we can see that the two additional tabs, that is design tab and format tab, which were previously available here, are now disabled. So these two tabs will get enabled if and only if we click on the chart. Okay, now the next topic is how we can change the color of these bars. For this we have to again go to the design tab and here we can see the option to change colors. Just click on this and we can see various options to change the colors. If we just place the mouse here, we can see that the color will get changed automatically. But for example, here we want to apply the color 3, just click on this color 3 and we can see that the columns of our chart are now converted from blue color to red color. Okay, I hope you are now clear with the concept of creating column charts in Excel. That's all from this video. Thank you. Have a great time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, hit like button and share with your friends. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, do let us know through your comments. And most important, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notifications about our newly uploaded videos.